Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to manage video quality on Facebook. Maybe you are enjoying watching videos on Facebook, so you want to know on how you can manage video quality on your Facebook. So today, I am going to teach you on how you can manage your video quality on Facebook. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Facebook application. Once you open your Facebook application, you'll be directed into this Facebook homepage. And then now, to continue, simply tap on this profile icon at the upper right corner of your screen. Once you tap on it, you'll need to scroll down. And you will see in here Settings and Privacy. Beside that, here is a drop-down button, tap on it. And then select on Settings. And then in here, you need to scroll down. And as you can see, under the preferences, you have here the media. Tap on this media. And then in here, you have here the video quality. Manage your default video quality and the amount of cellular data you use with the following options. In here, we have the optimize and the data saver. For example, you want it to be a data saver, you have to tap on this box to check it. As you can see, use up to 40% less data by reducing the video quality. You have also here the optimize, which adjusts videos to network conditions. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can manage video quality on your Facebook, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can manage video quality on Facebook, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.